In today's video, I'll show you how to find a website URL and post it to Blackboard. So let me explain the process clearly. This works in any browser. In this example, I'm using Chrome browser, but the steps are the same in other browsers. When you open a website, for example the Google homepage, look at the top of your browser window. The URL is located in the address bar at the top. The full web address shown there is the URL. To copy the URL, click once inside the address bar to highlight the entire link. Then press Ctrl+C on your keyboard to copy it. You can also right-click the highlighted link and select Copy. Next, open the document where you want to paste the link. For example, you might use Google Docs. Click inside the document and press Ctrl+V to paste the URL. If right-click Paste doesn't work, the keyboard shortcut will. Once pasted, press Enter and the link will usually turn into a clickable hyperlink. That's it. Now you know how to find a website URL and copy and paste it into a document for submission. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.